What's up everybody, Steve here, and today we are going to go over some finds from the Goodwill. Nope, that's not true. What's up everybody? What's up everybody? I've been loving the REI garage sale more and more lately, and so I just wanted to do a video on some stuff that we found at the garage sale this last weekend, and just kind of give you an idea of what it is that I look for at the garage sale. Alright, so let me just show you really quickly what I found. So first off, I found these orange shorts right here. They are swim shorts, but I will most likely just wear them anytime because they're really comfortable. And these were a discontinued item. That's the reason that they were at the garage sale. They cost me $3.83. I think they were probably around $30 to $50 new. So great deal on these. I just had to buy them. They're pretty cool. The second thing that I picked up that I was really excited about are these climbing shoes. Now these are $70 climbing shoes new. They the tag shows that they were used and too tight and uncomfortable, used 2 to 3 times. So these are basically brand new climbing shoes, and I picked up these for $15.83. So pretty stoked about these. They are just a tiny bit on the big side for me, but I've been looking for a pair that is just slightly on the big side so that it doesn't cramp my feet when I need to leave them on for like multi-pitch routes or just sometime when I need to leave my shoes on for a long period of time. The third thing I picked up, not very glamorous, but it is a Sea to Summit titanium spoon. This is going to be great for backpacking. We've been using some plastic ones. Honestly, this is probably about the same weight or maybe a little heavier than the plastic one. However, my last plastic one broke, and so this was $1.83, and I got a pretty cool titanium spoon, so I'm pumped about that. The next thing that I picked up that I'm also pretty excited about is this Sub 6 hammock. It is an Eno. It's their lightweight backpacking hammock. Normally $70. Picked up for $11.83. So I'm pretty stoked about that. However, it has some pretty extensive damage, and let me show you the damage on this thing really quickly. This is literally ripped almost in half. If you can see that rip there. So it's got a huge rip in it. The nice thing is this is just ripstop material. I've repaired a lot of ripstop material before because I kiteboard and I have ripped kiteboarding kites, so I don't think this should be a problem to repair. I am really looking forward to being able to dig into this. There's a couple smaller holes in this as well, I think, but all of it should be pretty easy to patch, and I'm excited to make a video on that, on repairing this hammock. So the next thing that I got is this Black Diamond headlamp. It is the Storm model. It is normally $40. I picked it up for $6.83. The tag reads, "Will not work with new batteries." And so this one, I'm hoping that just some corrosion got in the battery compartment that will be able to fix that. But that's also questionable, and you never know. But it was only $6. It's hard for me to turn down a good headlamp for a good price when I see it. And last but not least, this is a Hydropack water container. It is collapsible and just a really cool way of storing water. It's really light. This also I got with the intention of bringing it backpacking. The tag reads, it was owned for 8 months and it leaks along a seam near the top of the bottle. It's normally $22. I got it for $3.83. I was hoping that maybe it was they mistook a leak for just some condensation on it or something like that. Sometimes people just make up problems just because they want to return it, so you never know. Turns out it really does leak. I'll show you a video of that in a little while. But I don't think we should have a problem repairing it. I think it'll be repairable, and I will make a video on that as well. So Got a lot of cool stuff. It was about $40 total. I had $30 in dividend, ended up spending I think $11 of my own money on this. Pretty dang fun. These guys don't need any repairing at all. They're good to go. These over here are going to need some repairing, and that's something that I love to do. So we are going to start off with this headlamp and see what we can do to repair it.